Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss about science chapter number 6 air, which is on page number 58. Now open your page number 58. Air. Air is a matter that has mass and occupies space. We can also define air is a mixture of gases. Air is present everywhere, even in water and soil. Air covers the earth like a thick blanket. This blanket of air is called the atmosphere. Many layers of air is present in the atmosphere, but the scientists have divided the atmosphere into 4 layers. These layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and the last one is thermosphere. You can see troposphere, which is about 16 km from the earth. Second is stratosphere, which is about 48 km from the earth. Third one is mesosphere, which is about 80 km from the earth. And last one is thermosphere, which is about 700 km above from the earth. But the troposphere is the lowest layer from the atmosphere, which support the life. Most weather conditions happen in this layer. Now students, as we go up through the layers of atmosphere, temperature and air pressure change. Air pressure decreases as we go up. Air is very important to us. We can breathe in air. We can't live without it. Air is needed for burning. We pump air into footballs, balloons, and tires of our vehicles. In our homes, we use air pressure to draw dust into the bags of vacuum cleaner. Fish and other animals in water also use air. Plants use air to make their food. Okay, students, you know about wind? I am telling you. Moving air is called wind. Wind can move slow or fast. We use a wind vane to show the wind direction. Stop. Students, now we will discuss about composition of air. On your next page, composition of air. एयर इज आ मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट गैसेस. कंपोजिशन का मतलब है कि एयर किन चीज़ों से मिलके बनी है. तो हम जानते हैं कि एयर इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ डिफरेंट गैसेस लाइक नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, हीलियम, नाइट्रोजन, argon and many other gases. But here we discuss about major gases in the air. And the major gases in the air are nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen, which is 21%, carbon dioxide and other gases only 1%. Students, now we will discuss about properties and uses of gases in the air. First of all, we discuss about nitrogen and its uses. Nitrogen is the major part of the air. Colorless gas, no taste or smell, slightly soluble in water, doesn't burn, does not support the process of burning. Actually, it is not a very active gas. अब हम पढ़ेंगे uses of nitrogen. Nitrogen is used to preserve freshness of foods. Nitrogen is also used in explosive storage tanks, used in light bulbs, used as fertilizers to increase the fertility of land. Nitrogen is also used in our medicines. Presence of nitrogen in the air reduces the process of rusting of iron. Students, liquid nitrogen is used as a coolant for freezing of blood and large computer systems. Do you know? Presence of nitrogen slows down the process of burning. There will be mostly oxygen in the air. Even small fires would have caused great damage. जी तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक यहाँ तक था. अभी हम अपने पार्ट 2 में डिस्कस करेंगे ऑक्सीजन and its uses, carbon dioxide and its uses, and uses of rare gases. Now take care yourself. Khuda Hafiz. Thank you.